want a blueberry? Izzy! Izzy! Blueberry! Look! Blueberry! Blueberry! It's over there! Okay, here.
At the top.
Blueberry!
Oh, she's got to smell that.
Izzy!
She's looking at you.
Okay, don't look at me.
In today's uncertain global environments, the reliability of security has never been so crucial.
You can get it!
ITT Technical Institute School of Criminal Justice.
He's not dumb.
Of the criminal justice system.
She gave up. Why
Help
did
them
she give
develop
up?
skills used to respond to and prevent. ITT Technical Institute.
Oh, you almost had it. Try again. Try again. Try again. Okay.
She'll get it.
Visit us on the
Come on, Izzy.
A lot of car ads are focused on
Put your
getting
finger
you
above
right
it.
now. Like, if you don't hurry, you'll feel like an idiot. But think about
Izzy.
things like durability,
Izzy, come on, you can do it.
overall quality are
Blueberry.
really going to matter to you.
Blueberry.
Like everyday
Here.
driver
Tap.
vehicle.
Just tap.
That's when a Toyota
I don't know.
make you feel
Izzy.
like a genius.
Izzy.
Especially when you can get 3.9% APR for
Yeah, there
36
you
months
go.
on any tough new 07 Tacoma.
You gotta keep tapping on things until she grabs it.
Izzy.
Keep moving forward.
Izzy. Right here. Right here, and I even bit it open for you. Right here. No, not... Keith, you film, because every time I call her, she comes over to me, not where the blueberry is. Can you film, please? There you go.
A bonus hour of
Here you go.
Family Guy asks, is Peter Griffin smarter than a fifth grader? Don't
Yay! Oh my God, she got it and she almost fell. Yummy, yummy. Good. Is that a good blueberry? Is that a good blueberry? Yummy.
Welcome back to America's favorite game show, and here's that question-asking guy, Hunter Sinclair. All right, Mo Ziplock.
Yes, Sergeant.
Yesterday, we asked if you wanted to risk it all for $500,000, and you stalled for 20 minutes.